Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope so you all will be fine and you are watching my channel Learn with Humaira. And today I have made a video for those students who have applied for the SAS scholarship. A number of students was worried about that they didn't get any kind of information or details regarding the scholarship. So here is a good news for those students because SAS has started messaging to the students. As you all students know that after submission of the online application, you all have to provide them supporting documents which include these 10 things. Wait, let me tell you one thing that I have heard that a lot of people were saying that this is fraud, this is fake, there's nothing gonna be like this, there will be no stipend, no tuition fee or no scholarship for the students and it is totally fake. Let me give them the speech of Dr. Sania, who is the launcher of this SAS program.
हालांकि तहकीक हमें ये बताती है कि यही वो साल हैं, यही अंडर ग्रेजुएट के वो साल है जहां पे गरीब तलबा की माली मावनत के जरिए उनकी उनकी ये एबिलिटी बहुत बढ़ जाती है कि वो अपने घरों को गुर्बत से निकाल सकें, अपने पाँव पे खड़े हो सकें, अपनी जो आमदन है उसमें ज्यादा कर सकें। तो गुर्बत के खात्मे के लिए ये जो अंडर ग्रेजुएट जो स्कॉलरशिप्स होती हैं ये बहुत सबसे ज्यादा एजुकेशन सेक्टर में मुफीद होती हैं। तो क्योंकि पिछली कई दिहाइयों से हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन में इन पे फोकस नहीं था, इसलिए मौजूदा हुकूमत ने ये एक बहुत ही बुनियादी फैसला किया कि एहसास प्रोग्राम के तहत इस अंडर ग्रेजुएट स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम को शुरू किया जाए और एक बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे शुरू किया जाए।
So dear viewers, this is Dr. Sania who is the launcher of this SAS program. So this is not fake. Now let me give you the details of the scholarship. That 24 billion initiative was for 2 lakh students. It's gonna happen very first time in the history of Pakistan that a very large amount of money has been reserved for the students only. And 50% quota is for girls, and as a part of the SAS scholarship policy, 2% scholarship will be exclusively awarded to the students with special needs or students who are disabled and abnormal.
50% स्कॉलरशिप्स जो है वो वजीर आजम की हिदायत पे खवातीन के लिए मुख्तस की गई हैं, क्योंकि हुकूमत ये जानती है कि कोई भी माशरा खवातीन के शाना बशाना रहने के बगैर आगे नहीं जा सकता।
And the second very good thing of this scholarship is that overall 50,000 scholarship will be given every year to enhance financial access to higher education for the deserving students.
ये ड्राइव थी कि हमने आगे बढ़ना है और हमें मौका मिला है, इसलिए ये जो आपकी आज आपने किया है सानिया, ये और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है। ये जबरदस्त काम किया, 50,000 स्कॉलरशिप हर साल अंडर ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए, और आपने बड़ा अच्छा टर्म्स दिए उनको। और फिर
Okay viewers, so let's move toward the message which SAS is sending to the students. So students, you will receive a message from 8627 for your account. And in message you will see that Asan account. So now student will be worried about that we have applied for SAS scholarship and now in message it is written Asan account. So please don't worry about this. This message is from SAS program. Let me show you the message that SAS program is sending to the students. You can see here that it is written as your Asan account. So don't worry, this message is from SAS program and this message will be from 8627. Here there are some other messages from the SAS program from 8627 and I'm just showing you these messages as a proof that this is not fake, it's totally real. So you can see here your Asan account, and I have had the number of the account due to some reason because there can be some kind of issues. So I have had the account number and you just have to remember your account number. Okay, let's move toward our next point, that is if you are finding some kind of difficulty and you are thinking that you was eligible and you didn't receive any message, so you can call at 021-111-627-627. Now after receiving the message, what you have to do? So let me tell you that you don't need to do anything and you don't need to worry about anything, because now after receiving the message you have been registered in the program of SAS undergraduate scholarship, and now the benefit of this Message is that you will get full relaxation in the tuition fee and you will get monthly stipend also. You can see here that scholarship include tuition fee and stipend, so just don't worry about anything else after receiving the message. And special preference will be given to the disabled students, and I have seen a number of students who have received the message from the SR scholarship who are disabled. So nobody can say that disabled are always ignored by the government, and the word of Dr. Sania and Imran Khan are totally true. What they say, they did.
पहले स्कॉलरशिप प्रोग्राम्स जो थे वो ज्यादातर सिर्फ ट्यूशन फी की मद में मुआवनत करते थे। इस स्कीम के तहत हम ट्यूशन फी के साथ साथ तालिब इल्मों को एक लिविंग स्टाइपेंड भी देंगे, माहाना लिविंग स्टाइपेंड भी देंगे, और वो उनकी इन तलबा की जिंदगी में कितनी बड़ी तब्दीली ला सकते हैं उसका आप अंदाजा ही नहीं कर सकते। आज सुबह ही मैं एक तालिब इल्म से मिली जिसके पहले साल की फीस के लिए उसकी माँ ने अपने इयररिंग्स बेचे थे, यानी कि अपने कानों के बुंदे बेचे थे, और अगले 3 सालों की स्कीम के लिए वो बेचारा कह रहा था कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही कि वो कहां से आएगी। वो तालिब इल्म ईद पे अपने घर माली मुश्किलात की वजह से नहीं जा पाया, और अक्सर वो दिन में सिर्फ एक वक्त का खाना खाता है। तो आप ये सोचें कि ऐसे तलबा के लिए ट्यूशन के साथ साथ ये जो स्टाइपेंड है, ये जो वजीफा है, उसकी कितनी बड़ी अहमियत।
So this is a great step by the government of Pakistan for the very first time in the history of Pakistan. And yes, I'm not saying that this scholarship is the very first by the government. Yes, there are a lot of scholarship that has been introduced before this, but this scholarship is the greatest of all because this is providing a lot of new things to the students. For any general queries, you can email to srs@hec.gov.pk. If you are worried about that you don't have find any kind of information from any person and you don't have message yet, so you can just write a mail to sr@hec.gov.pk. I hope you can get a reasonable answer that either you are eligible for this scholarship or not, means you will get something from them in the form of no or in the form of yes. So dear viewers, this was all about my today's video. Hoping that you have got a lot of new information. So if you have any kind of question or queries, you can comment me down. Keep watching my channel Learn with Humaira. A lot of love and praise for you. And if you are new at my channel, so must subscribe to it and like my videos and share with your friends. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.